Hello everyone. In this video, let us try to understand the difference between atoms, elements, molecules and compounds. So it is very important to know the difference between atoms, elements, molecules and compounds for further studies. So let us see what are the difference between all these. Okay.
First, what are atoms? We all have studied this in our previous classes, right, children? So, what are atoms? As we all know, atom is the smallest particle of the matter. We cannot divide it into further. So, the smallest particle of the matter is known as atom. So, you can see here some colors are given. Imagine these are the atoms of different colors like red, blue, green, and yellow. So red is a different atom, blue is a different atom, green is a different atom, and yellow is a different atom. So atom is the smallest particle of the matter. Now let us know about element. Imagine it is an element in which blue atoms are there. Okay, it is an element in which blue atoms are there. So here elements are nothing but made up of same kind of atoms. Okay, so here same kind of atom constitutes elements. Here blue color is there. You can see here blue color of atoms are there, so it is a blue element we can say. And here green color of atoms are there, it is a green element. So here element is nothing but the substance which contains same kind of atoms. Understood? Substance which contain same kind of atoms are known as element. Green element has a green atoms and it has a particular property, and blue element has a blue color atoms, only blue color, not other colors. Okay, so here blue element has a different property because they are made up of only blue atoms, and green element has a green atoms, so it has a different property and it has a different property. Here are some examples. So as you can see, it is a hydrogen which is green in color. Okay, hydrogen which is green in color, which contains only green color of atoms. We all know elements contain only atoms of a particular particle. Same way oxygen which contain only blue color atoms, so it is an element. Understood? Hydrogen is a particular element which contains hydrogen atoms. Oxygen is a particular element which contain only oxygen atoms. Understood? Now let us move on to molecules. As I said before, red color is one atom and blue is a different atom, green is a different atom, and yellow is a different atom. When two or more different kind of atoms combine together to form a molecule. You can see here red atoms and blue atoms combine together and forms a molecule. So here element contain only same kind of atoms. It was also blue. This is also blue. But here different kind of atoms are present. You can see red and blue. So it is a molecule. When a substance contain different kinds of atoms, in element we can see only particular atoms were there, but here in molecules both atoms are there. For example, see, suppose green color is an hydrogen atom. Here two hydrogen atoms are there and it is combined with one oxygen atom. Two hydrogen atom combines with one oxygen atom which is blue in color. So hydrogen atom combined with oxygen atom and forms a molecule, the water molecule. Understood? What is molecule? Molecule contain two or more different kind of atoms. Elements, when we say elements, element contains same kind of atoms, but molecule contains different kinds of atoms. Understood? Here water molecule, you can see it contains both hydrogen atoms as well as oxygen atom. Both green color is also there, blue color is also there. Understood? Water molecule contain both hydrogen and oxygen. Understood? What is molecule? Let us see what are compounds. As we know, elements contain only same kind of atoms. For example, sodium element which contains same kind of atom. Only sodium atoms are there in sodium element, right? Elements are nothing but only same kind of atoms will be present. In the same way, we can see For example, here see you can chlorine. You can take chlorine as an example. Same way, chlorine element which contain only chlorine atoms, blue color atoms are there. See here, chlorine, we can see only blue color atoms are visible. In sodium, only green color atoms are visible. So here sodium is the element and chlorine is a element. When two different elements combine chemically, here chemical reactions takes place. Understood, children? Here chemical reaction takes place when two different elements combines chemically to forms a compound known as sodium chloride. Understood? When two different elements, not atoms, okay, when two different elements combine together chemically and forms a compound, it is not mandatory that it should show a particular property. Okay, understood? Compounds doesn't show a particular property. Don't think that the sodium element has a green color, so in reality sodium also what green in color, nothing like that. Okay, here it is just an imagination to understand. Okay, so here chlorine is looks like a blue in color, so chlorine has in reality chlorine is blue in color, not like that. Okay, we are taking this as just as an example. So sodium chloride is NaCl we use in our daily life. Sodium chloride, nothing but salt. So sodium has a different property and chlorine has a different property and sodium chloride has a different property. Understood? So compounds show a different property. Elements, we have understood elements and we have understood molecules and we have understood what are compounds. So elements, atoms, elements confirmed by the combination of same kind of atoms. If a matter consists of same kind of atoms, then we call it as a element, and molecules are formed by different kind of atoms. Same kind of atoms known as elements, different kind of atom, red color is there, blue color is there, both are combined form a molecule. Understood? Different kind of elements forms a molecules and then same kind of atoms forms a elements. What are compounds? Compounds are formed by the combination of two or more different kind of elements combined chemically. Compound are formed by the combination of two or more different kind of elements combined chemically, known as compounds. Understood? Here we have understood about what? Atoms, molecules, elements and compounds. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask. Thank you, dear children.